Welcome guys, Pocket Dump Wednesday. Let me go ahead and set up the camera and I'll show you what I have on me. Alright, let's get right into it. So the first things first is my cell phone. Okay, so I have here the good old flip phone. Good reception on this thing. I love that antenna feature. Big old battery, long lasting, and yeah, she works well. Hey, shout out to the birds. So the next item, since that doesn't have a camera on it, my good old camcorder. Man, this thing works like a champ, right? And it's the DVD version, so shout out to that. Okay. All right, set that off over there. So I am carrying a Pew Pew, so yeah, this thing is very accurate. So that's that. And my main carry, right? Yep, she is beautiful. Okay. So that's the main carry.
Nice.
We'll set her right here. Look at that. Perfect fit. Yeah. And lastly, I do have a pocket knife, and that is this here in this sheath that I made a while back. By the way, these are available if you're interested. Hit me up on Instagram. That's where I'm at. Full time at Full Throttle. And this thing is the Boker / Camillus, or it's a Camillus that I customized a while back. This thing is nice, solid, no wobble. The action, I created that angle. Stop there. It used to be round, so I made it flat so it can stay there. And the walk and talk is perfect. She is centered. It looks like it's not. That's because I grinded this area here. So, shout out to that. So that's pretty much it. Happy April Fool's Day. I couldn't even say that. You guys and gals have a good one. Till the next one, take care.